vision to find my African love. Say I get the vision to find my African love. If you want to come drop my shit up. If you want to, what do you want for the picture? I'm in love with the African girl.
Like, with me being on set with the whole thing happening, I enjoyed it, you know, because everybody was in the mansion. I met new people, I made some friends, and I learned a couple things, you know, about like camera and everything. Like my dad don't even know about all that stuff, but you know, I was learning and everything, because I actually want to do this too. I can't wait for the show, and I know y'all can't wait for the show too. So it's gonna be a good project when it comes out. So let's wait for it.
Drip, the Wonder Boy. Oh my gosh, it's Calvin Drake's production.
Find my African love. Say I get the vision to find my African love. If you want to, come chop my shit up. If you want to, what do you want for the picture? African love. She go be my African love. African love. He said she go be my African love. African girl. She go be my African.
Hello everybody, my name is Kobe Maxwell. I'm the producer for My African Love with Ifeoldo. I'm also the creator of the content, including with my co-producer Jojo Ando. It's been a long journey. As you guys know, that I've done a couple of work. You know, some of the crew and the members here, we did this project. I've worked with from the Wrong One, the short film. Some of them from One Night in Vegas, my other feature, Go Back to Paparazzi. So it's always been a different challenge, a different moment on every project that I've touched. And this was a unique one and amazing. First time working on a reality show, a whole different level, a whole different experience. But thank God to the team that I have it around. Basically, I mean, having a committed team that are willing to go all out for us to get to the dead end. It was amazing. I humbly appreciate each of them, starting from my co-producer, you know, going through behind the scene what we have to do to pull these things together to make it happen. You know, the camera crew, some of them are being close to them and talking to them the details of what we're going through, and they're willing to support, to be part of it. Owolabi, interesting brother. You know, he knows much more than a lot of you guys think, but you know, he keep it quiet and he do what he can do to make sure we keep going. Director Robert Peters, amazing guy. He has all the equipment in the world and he likes to show them off. So Robert, thank you for everything you brought on board on this project. It has really made us successful, right? The talent, I always cast and bring people together to accomplish, you know, the vision, the story. And I think this talent, we brought them together, was a unique one. Ifeoldo surprises me every day, every scene. I knew she had something, but I did not know that she could pull it off by just giving her what we're trying to do or what we want. And she amazed me every episode. She surprised me every day.